residents of that area.
Leader of the opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, said that the appointment of former Tura MP Agatha K. Sangma as the chairperson of the State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Scpcr, is only one part that reflects the state government, which is running under nepotism and favoritism, urging the public to see for themselves of various other privileges and facilities from various line departments being provided, and one such is from the police department. The leader of the opposition said that he would be demanding for a meeting of the State Security Commission to take cognizance of the unnecessary wastage of money from the public exchequer by misusing the police.
With which they have been running this government with complete sense of impunity. Now, it doesn't end there. It doesn't end there. It goes beyond. It doesn't end in the notified person facilities which are eligible for those incumbent political appointees. No, it goes beyond that. You go and see for yourself of various other privileges and facilities from different line departments which are being provided to them. One is the police department, okay? One is the police department. I will be demanding for a State Security Commission meeting to take cognizance of this unnecessary wastage of money from public exchequer by misusing the police authorities.